Good morning. Today I'm heading to Elstree, which is around 20-25 minutes away from here, and we've got a surprise in Elstree. So let's go and see what we've got. So I'm here at the flight training in London, and I'm planning to pursue my flight course, which was paused due to COVID in California. Let's see how it goes. So I hope you're ready.
That's why we say start flying, maybe try one day to have 2 flights and see how you feel.
So that's the Cessna 2-seater, which I'm planning to learn flying on, continue on my course. It could be this one or a Piper. So we yet to decide. Piper is a 4-seater.
So jump inside.
Yeah, so we're in a Cessna 2-seater here at the Elstree, and we're planning to fly again. So we just came to see the planes and conditions and stuff. So Ivan is with me. He's the instructor. He'll be training me. But let's see how it goes. So now me and Ivan, we walk in to see the Piper, because this Cessna, I found it a bit congested, a bit tight for me. But let's see. Very beautiful day.
Archer.
It's a Piper Archer. This is a better one, I think.
It's more spacious.
Yeah.
You could see the aircraft is more stable when it flies as well.
Sure.
It's faster as well compared to the 154.
So that was the Piper. I've just been inside. Just returning back. Hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed the visit to the Elstree Aerodrome. It was a very brief one, but I hope you had a good time. And now I'm back home. Just one more thing before we go. We've got 87% of the people who are watching the videos are non-subscribers. So I would request everyone to subscribe so we can keep our good work on, and that also motivates us. So if I have got more subscribers, I know that more people are interested, you know. We got a decent amount of views for the amount of videos what we are making, but if we've got similar amount of subscribers, it will motivate us to make better content and deliver it to you. So I request all my viewers to subscribe and support. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.